Today we're breaking down the men's hairstyles that are defining 2026. Trends don't stand still. What feels fresh today can feel outdated tomorrow, and nowhere is that more obvious than with hair. So in this video, I'm sharing the hairstyles I've been seeing everywhere lately. Real cuts, real people, and a few styles that are clearly on their way up this year. Let's start. Number 1, Dream Flow. The Dream Flow is the perfect mix of movement and volume for medium to long hair. It's the kind of hairstyle that makes hair feel alive, soft, and natural without looking forced. This cut is winning in 2026 because it's versatile, casual, confident, and wearable in almost every setting. It's that effortless style that still gets noticed. Number 2, the Warrior Cut. This isn't a TikTok hype cut. It's been around for years. Think Brad Pitt in Fight Club, rugged, confident, controlled. The Warrior Cut keeps textured length on top with a low or mid taper on the sides. Barbers use point cutting to create that rough, uneven texture for an effortless, messy look. You need about 3 to 4 inches on top. Go shorter and you lose the spiked texture. It works on most face shapes, which is why it's so easy to pull off. Style it with sea salt spray, then finish with a matte clay or texture paste. It looks low maintenance, but you'll still need a trim every 3 to 4 weeks to keep it clean. Best on straight or slightly wavy hair. Curly hair won't show the texture the same way. Number 3, the Crew Cut. The Crew Cut is basically a more refined buzz cut. It's still short and easy to manage, but you leave a bit more length on top so it doesn't look too strict or flat. You don't need a fade. Clean sides and just enough length on top to add shape and texture. That small detail helps your face look more balanced. If you want something low maintenance without going to the barber every 2 weeks, it grows out well and still looks neat. It also works great if your hairline isn't perfectly even or if your forehead is slightly bigger. It suits almost any face shape, which is why it never really goes out of style. If you want a safe, versatile cut that always looks sharp, the Crew Cut is a solid choice. Number 4, Wolf Cut. The Wolf Cut continues to evolve and 2026 takes it to the next level. Think controlled layers, natural volume, and just enough edge to turn heads. It's bold but casual, making it a go-to for guys who want to stand out without looking overdone. The Wolf Cut works because it blends creativity with confidence, exactly why we'll see it everywhere this year. Number 5, Modern Mullet. Now, before anyone rolls their eyes, the modern mullet isn't what you remember. It's shorter, sharper, and surprisingly refined. It gives that bold edge while keeping things balanced. The modern mullet is trending because it stands out but doesn't feel messy or over the top. It's like a statement haircut that says you notice style but don't need to scream for attention. Number 6, Textured Fringe. The textured fringe is making a comeback, but in a smarter, modern way. It's longer in the front, layered just enough to add personality, and naturally frames the face. This one is popular because it adds a youthful, approachable vibe without feeling chaotic. People notice this hairstyle because it's stylish without trying too hard, perfect for anyone who wants a subtle upgrade. Number 7, the Genji Cut. The Genji Cut, inspired by Takia Genji from Crow Zero, is a short, shaggy mullet with lots of texture and movement. Layers on top are key. Ask for choppy, uneven layers to add volume and separation. The top should have lift, and the back stays a bit longer, flowing like a soft mullet. Sides can be tapered for a softer look or low faded for more contrast. Works best on straight or wavy hair so the texture shows. Style with light wax or sea salt spray, but keep it messy. The rough, effortless vibe is what makes it Genji. These are the men's hairstyles actually defining 2026. Not random trends, not recycled cuts. These are modern, wearable, and real. Pick one that suits your hair type and personality, and let it do the work for you. Comment below which one fits your style the most. Like, subscribe, stay sharp.
Thanks for watching.